Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome from Siem Reap Cambodia, an event management and team building and AV. What? So today we are hosting an event for cooking challenge. So one of the company doing the catering all over the world. So today we are at Piniat Phu restaurant. It is a family-owned restaurant who has a great story. If you want to know more, you can go on the website and learn about this restaurant. So mainly it's the chef and also the owners and the father, the husband, also the son of the restaurant. So what we are doing today is a cooking competition as well as dining experience as a local Cambodian family. So let's take a tour of the restaurant and later on we will see the activity, how things going on. Stay with me. So this is the entrance of the restaurant with the sign, small sign here is called Piniat Phu. Piniat Phu means with my uncle. This is on road, Wat Bo Road. It's only 5-minute walk to the old market area. So this is the restaurant Piniat Phu. Small, cute and very green. Not so much fancy, but it's meaningful. There is the cafe, the bar station, the dining area. But today it is a place for our cooking competition. So we have the team name here, Compass number 2. Right, so there's maybe 4 teams, very small one. This is the story of Piniat Phu. And this is the briefing area as well as the dining area. Very small and simple, but it's nice enough to learn Cambodian authentic dishes. Okay, great. We have already cool beer, and this is Shamili. I'm not going to disturb him. So drink station in case people get thirsty, right? And here's the cooking station. And right here is the place where they put the ingredients and so on, like the meat, and there could be vegetables, gardening, and this kid running around. Okay, pretty good enough. Drink menus, right? Yeah, later on we will see the show, how things going. Yeah, our facilitator. Okay, stay tuned everyone.
this part you have the catfish here. We have some fillets and then the whole fish there. You might need the fillet if you don't want to waste your time. And then, right, this one is very common fish and it's very soft and a little bit, yeah, some of the fat there as well. The fat and then the soft meat of the fish go very well into this kind of dish.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the event started. So here how they do the cooking. So this is team 3. Cooking is going on. That is team 4. So here's all the ingredients. Noni liu for smoke and this fish and this fillet. All the seasoning. That's it. Amazing, so that feasible. Everyone look inspiring and excited about how their food is going to come out. So the progress will take around 40 minutes and then they can already wrap up with their activity. So stay tuned for the next session.
Congratulations to group number 1. As you got the score, your full score is 2.5 this time. Yay! Quite a lot, like pounding, interesting, and then we found that some pieces still there. That's why the really most interesting flavor, the number 4 and number 3, and then really the taste is go well there, and then it's like a countryside. So it's like a real taste of
I agree, it's very countryside.
You create a good moment for us, like a family, and then it reminds us like we having a family, a family out of the countryside. So congratulations.
I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up in the shot top. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
Let's follow and trust your hand. It's already clean. And then you grab like this, bunch of flowers and leaf together. Flower from Tonle Sap, and then banana flower from our neighborhood farm. Carrot, and then the paddy rice herb like here. Now you have this. This is the chunk of catfish that you have done with the amok, the fish that you have done with
Is
the
that the one we cooked or you cooked?
yeah.
I cooked.
Ah,
You cooked. All right, cool. We can eat it.
And then it's go like this. We have created like a bunch of stuff from the bottom to the top of the tree, and then this is like a part of the Cambodian cuisine that we cook from the bottom to the top of the tree. So we cook the fish like from the bottom, and then until the top of the tree it's a coconut cream. And then the leaves, flowers over there as well. And then here, all together, wrap it, and then enjoy yourself.